Hi guys, today we're gonna make fried dough sticks. In Chinese, we call it Youtiao. Please like and subscribe for more weekly videos and let's begin. We need flour, salt, water, baking soda, baking powder, and butter. You can find the ingredients in the description box below. Once you mix all the ingredients together, you can roll it out in a flat dough like this. Make sure the dough is even in a rectangular shape. We're gonna cut all the uneven edges off. And then cut it into long stripes with a width of 2 centimeters each. Turn on the stove to preheat the oil. Once we finish of cutting them into long strips, we're gonna put water in the middle of each alternating strip so we're able to stick them together later. So once we finish, we're gonna grab one strip and then place it on top of the strip with the water stripe, and then press it with a chopstick. And make sure to pinch the edges so they don't split. Now we're going to fry them. Make sure once you put it in, the oil is sizzling, otherwise it will not rise properly. Make sure you turn them around for a couple of times until it becomes golden brown. Here you can see the first batch is done. Make sure you put it gently into the hot oil to prevent burning yourself. Now let's check the inside. It should be fluffy like this. Youtiao or fried dough sticks is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a like and subscribe for more weekly recipes. See you next time.